What's up guys, my name is Jason. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Revolve stock. I'll be giving my opinion on whether Revolve is worth the buy, will I be buying, and why I think it's worth buying. But before we get into the video, if you want to get started investing or you already do invest, go ahead and use the first link in the description to get a free stock from Robinhood when you open an account with them. Not only does it help me and the channel out, but you get a free stock that could be worth up to $200. But anyways, let's get back to the video. Alright, right now Revolve Group, ticker symbol RVLV, is trading at a price of $16.43 as of the end of the trading day with a market cap of 1.1 billions. Although according to their forward PE, they don't have much growth priced in, yet the company was still able to put up a profit for the last quarter. Even though the margins weren't that good, they beat all of these other older companies like Macy's, TJX, and Kohl's, more mature companies who should have more experience in the game than Revolve. Or maybe times are changing and advertising on TV is just getting kind of out of dated. Like, come on, most people are already using Netflix or Hulu or even YouTube, what you're watching right now. That's kind of what makes Revolve so different in my opinion. They use influencers and celebrities to advertise and promote their products, and that just kind of gives them an edge over people like Macy's, Kohl's, and TJX. And you can see they're expected to grow their revenues by 20% next year, and they absolutely ethered their earnings last quarter, and they've beat pretty well the last 4 quarters. But there was absolutely no negativity towards the stock that could have brought it down from 18 to 24 after earnings and then back down to 16, other than the fact that it's a newer type of stock. But time in the market always beats timing the market, so that's why I bought Revolve stock today. I started a little position in the company and I plan on increasing that position over time, but I thought that $16 was just a really good deal for this company because I wanted to initially buy before it spiked up 21% after earnings. And I was really hoping for a pullback and I got it, so I'm not going to miss the same opportunity twice. I bought Revolve not only because it seems very cheap from where it could be 4 to 8 years down the line, but this is legit a stock for millennials. The way the company advertises is exactly how you want to attract millennials to your product. They use people's favorite Instagram models and celebrities to advertise their products, and when their fans see it, they're like, oh, that outfit looks really good, where did they get it from? And that's how you promote traction to your business. Revolve has influencers like Olivia Culpo, who has almost 5 million followers on Instagram, as spokespeople for the brand, and all those followers of hers have to care about fashion in one way or another. So the more and more influencers they bring to their side, the more and more market share they'll get when it comes to women's online shopping. But that's just the way I see it. Revolve also has their own private label, which helped them grow their profile. Main part of that? Grow. But moving forward, they've also collabed with someone as big as Jessica Alba, who has over 18 million Instagram followers. 18 million. But we can't look at all this and forget about the balance sheet, because that's something that could either make or break this company. Because if you don't have the capital to do what needs to be done, then it just won't be done. Like, it's just not that hard to understand. But as of the end of Q2 of this year, they had $150 million in cash and cash equivalents, which is really good for the size of this company. And now that I really look at that, it makes me think that they're going for more of a controlled type of growth rather than someone like Tesla, who's just constantly deploying capital into improving their products. But that only works if you have the demand and you can differentiate yourself from your competitors, and Tesla does both of those. But when you go down to their total debt, it really shows you how good their cash to debt ratio is for a company who's still projected to grow their revenues by over 20% next year. They could legit pay off all that debt tomorrow and still be fine. But again, like I say in all my stocks to buy videos, it's never a good idea to pay off your debt in full just because you have the money to. Anyways, that's going to do it for this video. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already. Last thing though, comment down below if you're interested in Revolve stock. I'm actually kind of curious to know. But with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.